Today, you'll be learning how to take guidelines for your closure ventilation. So if you're a beginner, this is beginner friendly. So you can make use of your sofa in your parlor. As you can see, that is what I am using. So that is what I used in taking this guideline. And that is also what I used for my ventilation when I started ventilating. So you don't need a dummy for this. So measure out 1/2 inch from the top. You can take this guideline on your paper or your lace, whichever one you prefer, but I'm going to show you how I take it on the paper. Draw a straight line. Mine might not be perfect, but make sure yours is perfect. Just draw a straight line when you measure out your 1/2 inch. Do the same thing for the bottom part. Also measure out 1/2 inch for the bottom. Use your ruler and draw a straight line. Don't mind what I am using. Also, if you have a ruler, you can use that. So I'm using my card. So use your ruler if you have a ruler. That's perfect. Make sure your line is very straight. Don't mind mine. Yours can be more perfect. Go in with your tape and find the center of your closure. So ours will be at the 2 inches right there. And then you use your ruler to draw a straight line for the center part. That is the center part of your closure. So you mark it. And from the side, also mark 1/2 inch from the side. That is also what you do for the other side as well. Use your ruler to draw a straight line as well on both sides. If you follow me, I believe you can make a ventilating needle. I believe you can ventilate. I also believe you can draw this guideline, and I also believe you can make your own closure at home. You don't need a dummy. This is the hand of my chair, my sofa at home. Use it for your ventilation. You don't need all that big materials. Cut 1/2 inch from the sides. As you see me do, you can see it clearly. I don't even need to talk much. You can see what I am doing. From both sides, 1/2 inch. Use your ruler to define it. Draw a line there as well. As you see me do in this video, just do exactly what I am doing. If you have your questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll do well to reply you. If you have any guideline you want me to draw based on the frontal, just write it on the comment section and I'll make the video. If you have watched to this point, please do well to like my video, leave a comment, and also save it so that you can always come back and watch. Do not forget to give me a follow as well, because you might not see me again on your FYP. So you're lucky to see me today on your FYP. You might not be lucky tomorrow. So do well to follow me so you don't miss out on amazing tutorials that will be posted on my page. This is the part where you need to pay attention. So I'll be showing you how many strands to fill in each of these boxes. So you see that thick line on your lace closure that you skip. You actually need to ventilate on top of that lace, but you can actually ignore the ones by the sides. But I will also encourage you to ventilate on those thick lines on your closure around it. You need to ventilate on it. So your parts should not go all the way through to the back. We don't need to be seeing this line. So ventilate on those lines that I just showed you. So this is how many strands of hair you should be putting in each of these boxes. So this is my lace. You see that wrapped place? That is the place I am talking about. I see so many closures that the parts, you'll be seeing that line. We don't need to be seeing it in 2025. Your parts should stop just there, and then we don't need to see this thick line. So put 3 strands of hair in that section. Your body should be 2 strands. That's depending on how you want your closure to be. If you want it to come out thick, then regulate it. You know how many strands that works for you. Do well to register for online classes to learn the direction you should follow to have a realistic closure ventilation. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.